Hello everyone, this is Abhijit from Creative Research, and today we are going to interface SD card with the Arduino and play an MP3 file. So let's get started. So can you think that Arduino can speak also? So if you say no, then you are wrong, because here Arduino can speak. So just check. I am pressing the switch.
Hello everyone, this is Arduino Uno. I am programmed by Abhijit. You can play music by interfacing SD card with me. If you like this video, please hit subscribe button. Thanks.
So do you want to know how it is working? Then just follow this video. This is the code we are going to write in our Arduino for playing an MP3 file. So actually we are not writing MP3 file directly, we are converting that MP3 file to a WAV file, WAV file, and then that file will be played by Arduino Uno. So just check the code first, then I will tell you how to convert that file and then how to play and connect the circuit. Okay, so here we are using tmrpcm.h header file. This is the header file to play WAV file for any AVR based microcontroller. For Arduino we are using tmrpcm.h. You can check the details of the tmrpcm in the tmrpcm wiki page. So you can go over here and you can go to this link git of tmrpcm/wiki. You can get all the details about this header file. And these are the some functions that tmrpcm can execute, and using these functions you can play the music. Okay, so first let's see the code, and over this code. Okay, so here we are using sd.h header file, tmrpcm.h header file, and spi.h header file. So initially you don't have this header file, so just go to the sketch in the include library, manage libraries, just search for tmrpcm. Wait for some time, the list search box will be appear over here. I have already installed it, but in case of you, if it is not installed, just click on, after clicking this file, there will be an option for install. Just click on that. After installation is done, and also install SD header file for the interfacing SD card. Just type SD over here, and then you will find SD built in for Arduino, and then install it. Okay, then you have to need an SPI header file for serial peripheral interface. Just search for that SPI over here and install that file. So you need to install these three libraries, SD, tmrpcm, and spi.h in your Arduino library. After installation of all these three files, just close this window. In tmrpcm, there is a tmrpcm variable that is declared over here. So here I am declaring SD card chip select is connected to 4. So this is the pin number where CS pin of your SD card is connected. Then speaker pin is connected 9, means 9 pin of Arduino is connected with the speaker. Then there is a baud rate is defined for serial communication. sd.begin function will return if SD card is readable or not. Okay, sd.begin in over here chip select pin will return 1 if it is readable, and it is written 0 if it is not readable. Okay, so according to that it is print over here. And then we are setting the volume. You can set the volume from 0 to 7, and play is the WAV file that you want to play. Okay, so I am just writing, I have 5 WAV files that I am converted already. Okay, so you can how to convert I will show you after some time. And after converting the WAV file, just place that WAV files into your memory card, and then in your memory card just mention the file you want to play. Assume that I want to play 3 number of WAV file. Then just select your port number and board, and then just write down the upload the code. After code is uploaded, you can hear the music is started. You can change the WAV file. So I am changing the WAV file. So let's see that another music will be played. So in this way you can upload the different codes and you can play your mp3 file using tmrpcm.play function. Now let's see how to convert mp3 file into PCM. Just go to this link, convert audio to AF. Okay, I will mention this link in your description box below. Just check that and you have to mention your mp3 file. Just choose your mp3 file. Okay, now this is the important thing. We have to mention all these things. Bit resolution will be 8-bit, sampling rate will be 16,000 Hz, audio channels will be mono, and in advanced option select PCM on-sign 8-bit. Okay, and then convert the file. After converting this file, you will get a WAV file, and that WAV file just place inside your SD card in your SD card. So first let's check what are the components we need. So we need a microcontroller with a SD card, and this is the SD card module. Okay, this is the micro SD card adapter. Okay, these are the pins. So we need all these pins should be connected with the Arduino. CS stands for chip select, serial clock, MOSI, MISO, VCC and ground. These pins will be connected with your Arduino boards. So first you write that WAV file into your SD card using a micro SD card reader. Okay, so after writing that WAV file into this card, just connect this card to this adapter. Okay, then the next part is write down the code in Arduino. Okay, so this is the connection diagram for this. Okay, the chip selection is as mentioned in the code. It is connected with the 4-number pin of your Arduino Uno. SCK is 13, MOSI is 11, MISO is 12, and VCC of SD card is connected to 5V, and ground is connected with the ground of the Arduino. Okay, just connect this as per this circuit diagram. Connect SD card module with Arduino. Okay. Now after connection is completed, now come to this board. Okay, and then after all this connection is completed, put a wire from 9-number pin, and this is where the speaker will be connected to play the music. Okay, it's better to use a speaker, USB speaker or any kind of speaker, because if you write any buzzer or something, it is not playing. So it is better you are using some music player speaker, so that it has its inbuilt amplifier, so it amplifies the signal. Otherwise you can listen some noise. Okay, so then this is the speaker I am connecting, and this is the 3.5 mm jack through which it is connected. Okay, so you can see there is 3 points. This is the ground, this is for one speaker, this is for another speaker. You can connect the both speakers so that the music can play from the both the speakers. Okay, now I am connecting this wire, so you can listen the song currently because already the file is played. So after pressing the reset switch, the music play started from the beginning. So I am pressing the reset switch. So you can listen this song. So I can change.
महसूस हुआ एक लाइफ की गाड़ी ने कस के मारा ब्रेक, हो रहा है क्यों कंफ्यूज मेरे दिल, मशवरा मेरा तू आजमा के देख, यही उम्र है कर ले.
I am writing another code into the Arduino. Okay, just wait for some time. The new code is written from the my PC.
Hello everyone, this is Arduino Uno. I am programmed by Abhijit. You can play music by interfacing SD card with me. If you like this video, please hit subscribe button. Thanks.
So thank you, please subscribe.